I know you actually have some good articles, one of them that I checked out regarding sustainable engineering processes at scale. And it seems like this is something that you're fairly passionate about. What processes do you view as key to scaling engineering organizations?
I think there's three types of things, if you group them, that roughly you need to be watching out for as a manager, as a leader. And it's like the processes that improve the quality of our execution, managing how we build and support and evolve our systems to our expected standards. So that's like, how do you deploy? What's your software development kind of process, or anything related to the craft of building and executing your products? And then you have the processes that help you align to the business, your ability to deliver those common goals. What are the things that you need to deliver for your customers, your revenue goals, your business sustainability targets, anything that is more business focused is like, how do we create a healthy and sustainable business and make sure that we're building not just things the right way, but we're building the right things as well. And then the third pillar for me is your people processes. How do we support at Twitter, our tweets, but like the people in the company, and with the aim of increasing engagement and growth of those people. And those are the processes that, from my experience, sometimes can be neglected, especially in the smaller companies when you're moving very fast and you're trying to get your product market fit, which is the most important thing that you should be doing in early stage companies. But if you leave it too late with your people processes, actually those things can be backfire big time in the future, especially if you unintentionally start introducing big biases and unfairness in how you treat and bring your people. So that's something that I always ask people to, you don't have to boil the ocean, you don't have to do a lot of things, but just always be mindful and be intentional and reuse frameworks from other people, like whether it's career ladders or just be more intentional about how you pay people, etc. So because backpedaling for those from my personal experience working at very fast growing companies where maybe we haven't paid attention to those things is extremely painful and has a very direct impact to people's livelihood. So those are the three things. They are interconnected. You can't just work on one thing independently, because if you have great goals and you have great execution, you're going to be building potentially great things. But if your culture is toxic, you're going to lose all the people that can build those things. You're going to be in a bad situation. If you have a great mission and you have great people, but your execution is poor, you're not going to get anywhere. You're not going to be successful as a business. If you have great execution and great people, but you don't know what you're doing and you're not going in the right direction, also you're not going to be successful as a business. So those things, you need to see it as a system, and everything really supports each other.